It's not always plain sailing. Ach is fiú an tarva an triblóid chun an tíiscis úra a áil gur Mary's Fish.
Mary is Annam. I'm extremely proud to be using the Irish language in my business and promote it as much as possible. Well, it attracts customers from Spiddle, Connemara and the islands. They have seen the recipe in the advertiser. I do have Cúpla Focal used. They see the vans going around town and they've noticed Cúpla Focal on the vans, plus our signage outside. When they come into the shop, it's a price list in Irish. The fish on the counter, all the names are in Irish. When customers from the city come into the shop and they hear the Irish language being used, they'll always join in with Cúpla Focal, and it'll create a great banter in the shop, and they're all joking and laughing and trying to be better than the other one with the Irish.
Mary's Fish, Iasc úr gach lá.